Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you how Stuff-a-loons works. I went to New York Toy Fair back in February and I saw this amazing kit in person, so I'm super stoked to test it out. I want to thank Jay at Play for sending this set to me for free to test out for you. Now, I love throwing parties, and these cool balloons with surprises inside was something that I always wanted for my son's baptisms, but they were so unattainable. I'm not even kidding. They were like 150 bucks for each spray of balloons. This kit is super affordable and fun for kids to do too. So let's get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and if you aren't, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. Let's get started. In the box, you get all of these accessories to create up to 12 balloons. You have some golden confetti along with some paper confetti, but you can actually put your own mark on it. So if this is a themed party, you can add in some surprises or different colored balloons. You can just do whatever you want. The world is your oyster with Stuff-a-loon. You can also use these little containers to store all of your stuffing, so it's easier for you to stuff your balloon. What a nice display. So now basically we have the Stuff-a-loons all set up. I'm glad right out of the box, like this is a very, very easy setup. You can start having fun and blowing up balloons right away. And I wanna mention, just because it only makes 12 balloons doesn't mean that the fun ends at 12 balloons. You could actually order refill kits for Stuff-a-loons. So if you have other parties, you have permanent centerpieces, you have like florist quality balloon art for your party for the fraction of the price. I'm not even kidding you. I am not trying to sell you like this is Home Shopping Network. This is the coolest party kit that you're gonna use. I'm telling you, I love it. So I'm gonna go through the steps. So already we put the ring on, we put all of our accessories inside these little capsules. Now it's basically all set up. So what you want to do now is pump air inside the balloon. Now you must only use Stuff-a-loons balloon. Now before you begin, make sure you read this little tiny bit of info. Before inflating the balloon with the pump, attach the rubber ring to the neck of the balloon. Let's put the balloon in. So you see this little plastic ring, rubber ring. You're going to use this for when you're actually removing the balloon from the Stuff-a-loons. Super easy so far. You see it has a wide mouth, so you could stuff all goodies inside. Now we're gonna pump the air. You ready for this? Oh my gosh, it's so easy. This is so cool. Okay, pump the air handle and balloon will inflate within the clear dome. Keep pumping until the balloon fills the chamber. If the balloon doesn't inflate, please repeat step 1 to ensure dome and maker kit are locked. Wow, it's super full. Ooh, now it's pulling back, so I know. It says if this is your first time, I am gonna skip ahead. Now, once the balloon is inflated, you may now choose your Stuff-a-loons deco. You can use basically whatever you want, as long as it's not a sharp object. So I'm gonna curl some of this ribbon and put some of that in there. Okay, I took off some curling ribbon. Let's try to put a small balloon in there. I blew it up while I was in there. That's fun. Okay, that's if you don't have the Stuff-a-loons plush. If you had a Stuff-a-loons plush, each of the Stuff-a-loons plush comes with its own loop closure, and you would just place it in there and attach one of these ribbons to it. And then this portion would have the ribbon attached to it so it could hang, or you could just leave it hanging, just let it float around on its own. Let's add a few more. Now, once you're full, take the pink stopper and place it on the top. Now you lift this blue ring over. Now, no air should escape. That was really super easy. Whoa. Now take out this portion. Now, it looks like a light bulb, right? Well, now it's gonna be a gigantic balloon, believe it or not. So the instruction says wipe it down with a damp cloth. I wiped it down. Doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be something amazing. Now, before you inflate the balloon, with the pump, attach the rubber ring around the neck of the balloon. Stretch the rubber ring over the bung so it fits around the neck of the balloon. So you're going to put it over this whole piece. Don't be afraid to pull it. You want to secure this. So make sure this rubber part is around the neck of the balloon. Now keep in mind, it is a balloon, it will pop. So you have like long, super long nails. Be careful. Now all of your goodies are inside here. No joke, this is all in here. And then we're gonna take this balloon and we're gonna pump it up. Pretty wide, and it's pretty strong too. Very, very sturdy balloon. Super fun. Oh my goodness. Kids are gonna have so much fun when they wake up tomorrow. Now get one of these ready. These are your clips that you're going to twist and secure around the base of the balloon. Pull the stopper gently away from the balloon to stretch. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. This clip is supposed to keep it in place. Okay, trust you. Okay. Now pull away. Come on. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I made my first Stuff-a-loon and look at all these goodies inside here. Just imagine the possibilities. Imagine like instead of like party favor bags, you can do Stuff-a-loon party balloons and you could put like anything you want inside, like blind, I'm thinking blind bags. I'm thinking stuffed animal surprises. This is so cool. Now, if you're using this as centerpieces or just as like a really nice display, you can turn this little piece of paper right here that says Stuff-a-loons into your own centerpiece display. Okay, and then we can even take this balloon that I have here and we could attach it. The end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think of my creations? It's the first time I ever used Stuff-a-loons. I love this product so much. Highly recommend it. It is a game changer for parties or just to cheer up your house. Who doesn't love balloons? My kids love it. And let me know what you think of it in the comments. And please don't forget to follow me on social media at play.live.repeat on Instagram and also on Facebook and Twitter at PlayLiveRepeat. And you can check out my TikTok at Toy Mom, Pinterest, I'm also Play Live Repeat, and check out my blog, playliverepeat.com for more reviews, gift guides. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Thank you so much to Jay at Play as well for sending us Stuff-a-loons.